we'd have a place position. So maybe we want to pick up 5 of this one, pick up 5 of that one, and then go place. The other thing that we're not demonstrating here that we'll demonstrate in another one is that instead of picking this with this one tool, this robot has, and let me pause this robot so I can, this robot has 3 tools on it. Tool 1 here, tool 2 here, tool 3 here. Okay? So how we're just picking up 1, 1, 1. This exact type of program was what we actually utilized in this operation. But instead of doing all this under one tool, we changed the position of the tool. I'll just try to throw these in here real quick. I doubt it'll work appropriately. I think it's gonna throw a fit, if I'm not mistaken. So whenever we go to pick 2, I'm gonna set that to a different U tool. So first of all, shift coordinate to find out what tool we're currently in. Okay, so you see that right there. So right before our pick position, we're gonna add another instruction here, offset in frames, U tool number, and we'll take it to a constant of 2. So that'll be tool 2, okay? I also need to do, I got my shift key on. I need to do the same thing up here. See, again, I don't have my spaces like I like.